Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, touring suspension, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.